everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kasey LeAlma, and today I have a very special unboxing for you. I don't know if you can tell, but I love Sailor Moon. It's part of my childhood. It's one of my favorite shows growing up. It has almost defined who I am at this point. So when Wonton In A Million said they were coming out with a Sailor Moon, I grabbed it, and I grabbed the bundle, which comes in this box that looks like a DVD. Look at that. And then the back, it's just so pretty. So we're gonna open this and take everything out. Okay. So one of the things that you get is this sticker book. So I can open it over here. So it's in this pattern. This is the pattern that when they transform from normal citizens to Sailor Scouts, this is like the background. So, which this is great. And there's the openings are on the side, so nothing will fall out. But there's quite a lot of sleeves in this. I'm not sure how many. But this was one piece of it that you got. You also got this washi card to put washi on. And it has Sailor Moon and Artemis, or Luna, that would be Luna. But then it has all the scouts. And then it comes with this cute washi cutter. And here it is. So one side is Artemis and the other side is Luna. So I was really loving that. And then you got this washi. Let me see if I can. It came with 4 things of washi, which is a lot. Okay, there. I was struggling with that. So I think this one is my favorite. It has the Sailor Scouts with their symbol, their planetary symbol. Oh, I might have it backwards. Oh, and then it has silver, maybe holographic foiling, but it's so cute. And then this washi just has the skyline with Sailor Moon and Luna on it, and then it has Artemis and Luna. And then this one is just, they're like stamps. So here's Sailor Moon, and here's the Outer Guardian, Sailor Scouts. Okay. So that's a cool washi. And then this is just like Stardust, and it's a small washi. So, but you get all 4 of these washis in this bundle. So I really enjoyed that. And then you get some stickers. So let's pull out the stickers. So you have this like deco sheet that has Sailor Moon and all the Sailor Scouts, and then It has this part, which mine kind of got messed up in shipping, but then it has the planetary signs. And then this is a journaling kit. So these are cool. And then this is part of the journaling kit. And so this is what this one washi is. Like this kind of matches these, but it just has like smaller deco here. And then it comes with, this is also a journaling kit, but it has the days of the week here and some washi. And then, so this is awesome. Then it comes with these Steamie Scouts and Steamie Cats sheet, and it just has a couple, it looks like it has 2 of each one on them. Look at Tuxedo Mask. And then you got this vinyl sticker, and then you have Luna and Artemis vinyl stickers. So that is what came in this box. So if you are a Sailor Moon fan like I am, I would recommend getting this. This is adorable. I am going to be putting this card in my planner as deco, and then I think I'm gonna stick these vinyl stickers on my computer. So, and I will be using these stickers in my next kit in my Hobonichi. I'm so excited to use them. So that is all I have for you today. It's a quick unboxing, but like I said, if you like Sailor Moon, you should check out Wonton In A Million. They have other characters like Harry Potter and stuff that you, if you like Harry Potter, you could get. But absolutely love Sailor Moon, and if they come back in stock, I might get a second one. I probably should have got 2 to start with, but that's okay. I'm going to enjoy these stickers, and I'm actually going to use them because I love them so much, but I'm not gonna hoard them away and like not use them. So we will be using these next week on my Hobonichi, so stay tuned for that. I will show you that, but this is all I have. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.